Hello, this is Mike. I'm Professional with Dice Machine. Today it's November 15th, 2024. Here I'm making video to show around my factory. This is the video for November. Here we can see a 30-ton battery capacity 2-byte machines. It's equipped with a bit screw compressor, water cooling condenser. The machine will be used in the Philippines. And this is the 15-ton battery capacity 2-byte machine. We were testing this machine yesterday, and I made a video to show this machine's working performance when we were testing it. Okay, so this is the inside of my factory. You can see we're making many 2-byte machines in November. Here we can see 5-ton per day, 5-ton per day, 5-ton per day, 3-ton per day, 1-ton per day. These 5 machines are equipped with flash code compressor. Flash code compressors is made in Italy originally. This is the nameplate of the compressor, flash code, and it's made in Italy originally. Okay, so these 5 machines are for one customer. Since flash code compressors are more available in his market area. Let's go on. Here we can see 4 set of a 5-ton battery capacity 2-byte machines. These 2 machines will be working in the same plant, and they will be sharing the same ice packing hopper. The ice packing hopper will be located in the middle, and the ice made by these 2 machines will fall into the same hopper. Another 2 machines. We can see that the color of the machine depends on the compressor. Most of the components will be the same color with the compressor. This is the Refcom compressor, the liquid receiver, water cooling condenser, accumulator, oil separator, heat exchanger, everything, even the pipes are the same color with the compressor. So the machine looks unified. The same design for this machine. All these machines are ready for delivery now. These 5 machines will be loaded into one container. These 2 will be loaded into one container with its ice packing hopper, ice room, and so on. Okay, this is the area we assemble all the 2-byte machines. This is the 5-ton per day. This is the 3-ton per day, and that is the 1-ton per day. Okay, this is the area we make the ice cutting devices and 2-byte evaporators. Here we have some more 2-byte evaporators, and this big one is for 30-ton per day capacity. Okay, and this is the area we put all the materials and the components for making 2-byte generators. Okay, so this is the video to show around my factory in November.